Hi students, now I am going to teach 12th standard physics volume 1 lesson 1 torque experienced by an electric dipole, the uniform electric field. So dear student, you should learn what is electric field, what is uniform electric field, what is non-uniform electric field. So already we discussed about electric field. The force experienced between positive charge kept at that point is called electric field E. It is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. What is uniform electric field? Electric field will have same direction, constant magnitude, or same direction, same magnitude. This is called uniform electric field. What is non-uniform electric field? Electric field will have different direction, different magnitude or same magnitude. It is called non-uniform electric field. So, you see the figure. Here electric field lines traveling in same direction, then same magnitude. So this is called uniform electric field. Here electric field lines travels in different direction, either magnitude same or different. This is called non-uniform electric field. So everybody know very well, around a positive charge the line starts from positive charge radially outward. So this is the examples of non-uniform electric field. Around the earth magnetic lines of force traveling. So this also uniform electric field. Now torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field. So already we learned what is electric dipole. Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges. So minus q charge plus q charge is separated by a small distance 2a. Midpoint of the two charge O. This is called electric dipole. This electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. So I discussed electric field uniform, non-uniform electric field. So electric field travels in same direction. The electric field is said to be uniform electric field. The dipole plays uniform electric field. The plus q charge experiences force F equal to QE along the direction of electric field, and then minus q charge experiences force F equal to minus QE is opposite to the direction of electric field. The two forces F equal to QE, F equal to minus QE equal and opposite direction. So total force act on the dipole is 0. So the resultant force constitute a couple. So I discussed already in 10th standard. Couple means two equal and opposite force constitute a couple. So due to couple, a body can rotate, cannot traveling in a straight line. So here the dipole can rotate. So torque is produced. So total torque on the dipole about the point O. The symbol represents tau. Torque tau equal to OA into minus QE plus OB into plus QE. So O, this is A, O, this is B. Using right hand corkscrew rule, it is found that total torque is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and directed into it. The total magnitude of the torque tau equal to determinant of A minus QE sin theta plus determinant of OB vector QE sin theta. So tau equal to QE 2A sin theta. So magnitude of the torque tau is equal to QE 2A sin theta. So 2QA equal to dipole moment P. So substitute this P value in this equation. Tau equal to PE sin theta. This is the magnitude of the torque. Tau equal to PE sin theta. In vector term, tau vector is equal to P vector cross E vector. So finally, the magnitude of the torque is maximum. Theta equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 equal to 1. So tau equal to PE. The magnitude of the torque is 0. That is P aligned to the direction of E. Theta equal to 0 degree. Sin 0 equal to 0. Tau equal to 0.